Welcome to Family Friends Community, where we celebrate the relationships that shape our lives. This weekend is Grandparents' Day, and whether your grandparents are near, far, or remembered in spirit, today's video is all about honoring their love, wisdom, and legacy. Grandparents are often the quiet anchors of our families, the ones who hold stories, traditions, and unconditional love. And in a world that moves fast, taking time to connect with them is one of the most meaningful things we can do. Grandparents are more than relatives. They're spiritual anchors, carriers of wisdom, and living reminders of where we come from. Honoring them is more than tradition. It's an act of gratitude, a way of reconnecting with the roots that ground us. Whether your grandparents are still with you or held close in memory, these 5 ways offer meaningful roads to celebrate their presence and deepen the connection that lives across time. Number 1, share a story. Take a moment to tell your kids or loved ones a story about your grandparents, how they lived, what they taught you, or a funny memory. Stories keep legacy alive and create bridges between generations. When we share stories, we're not just remembering, we're reconnecting. We're saying you mattered then and you still matter now. Number 2, write a letter or record a message. Whether they're still with us or not, writing a letter is powerful. If they're alive, mail it or read it aloud. If they passed away, write it as a tribute. Letters are a form of emotional connection. They slow us down and help us express what we often forget to say out loud. And in our modern times, you can even use your phone to record a video message and send it to them, or share it with family. Number 3, cook a favorite dish together. Food is memory. Make a recipe your grandparents loved, or one they passed down. Invite your kids to help. Share the story behind the dish. Cooking together isn't just about the meal, it's about the connection. It's about honoring the hands that fed us and the hearts that nurtured us. Number 4, create a tribute post or a photo collage. Post a photo with a short message on social media, or make a collage at home. It's a simple way to say, you matter, you're remembered. In a digital world, sharing a tribute online can spark connection across families and communities. It reminds others to pause and reflect too. So don't let physical distance be a barrier in showing you care. Number 5, call or visit, but with intention. If you can, visit or call your grandparents this weekend. Don't just say hello. Ask them about their childhood, their dreams, their favorite memories. Let them know they're still cherished. Connection isn't just about contact, it's about presence. When we ask questions and listen deeply, we give the gift of being truly seen. Let's pause for a moment. Think about one grandparent, past or present, who shaped you. What's one lesson they taught you? What's one moment you'll never forget? Now imagine what could shift if you shared that. A note, a call, a quiet moment of gratitude. Connection doesn't require perfection, just intention. And if you're a grandparent watching this, thank you. You are the roots of so many beautiful lives. Your love echoes through generations. This Grandparents' Day, let's honor the people who poured into us with love, with stories, with sacrifice. We all know grandparents are more than family. They're living bridges to our past, carriers of wisdom, and reflections of enduring love. Honoring them is not just a gesture, it's a sacred act of gratitude, whether through a story, a shared meal, or a quiet moment of remembrance. Each connection we make is a thread in the blanket of legacy. So this Grandparents' Day, let your heart speak. Reach out, reflect, and remember. Because when we honor those who came before us, we strengthen the roots that hold us together. Thanks for being part of Family Friends Community. You take care. and stay connected.